music button to hear another song.
What else you got? Is that your size, Egan? Bubba. What? You want the tag off? Here comes Sam again. Wow. Whoop. Here he comes. Whee! Uh-oh. Did Sagan want to ride? Don't call him poop ball. Daddy's only allowed to say poop ball. Okay. Where'd Sagan go? Uh-oh, someone's cleaning up. What are you doing over there? Trying to trip?
It's your fridge, DJ. Time for the Cutter Song. The uppercase alphabet song.
Radio City Music Hall, and it's just a block away from where we do the Today Show.
You know, it is miles away from any other theater in the world when it comes to presenting.
Press the music button to hear another song.
The entire neighborhood was turned on.
You should see what it looks like from out here.
It could be seen up and down Cleveland Street, the symbol of the old man's victory.
You won that. It's a major award.
Isn't it about time for somebody's favorite radio program?
Did you bounce on the ball, Sam? I don't know where it is.
Leaving in the window.
Hey! Oops.
Somebody knocked on my house.
Boom. Hey, I timed that just right.
Well, I've got 3 on there. How many have you got?
2.
Sam,
What's
3.
I think they took your game from you.
Okay, I got 3.
See it from there, sort of. Not very good lighting. What you doing, Sam? Are you watching Titanic in bed, eating pizza, and the baby can't get to you? What? Bob's downstairs. No whining. Mine. Where do you want? Downstairs? You want to come downstairs and watch Bob?
No.
What? You gonna give McQueen a ride? Don't you fall down the stairs with him. What kind of pizza is that, Sam? Is that... That's the crusty... Should I bring you some milk? Sam. You want soda? You want orange?
Yeah,
It's gonna...
in the cup.
It's gonna be in the sippy cup.
No.
Yes. I'm not gonna give you a cup of soda on your new bed. Pizza's bad enough. Where's that baby? He's halfway down. I'm taping him going downstairs. He's going the wrong way, kind of. Yeah, that's me. What about the other battery?
It's a triangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. So, is this shape a square? It is. Astronomical. You know your shapes. Dora the Explorer is coming up soon.
Daddy sure knows how to cook, Sagan, right?
A nugget.
Where's your belly button?
Orange.
Sam.
Banana. Listen, fruit salad. Wash the apples, wash the oranges.
Cheese. What do you got? Oh, not bad. Okay, I better.
That's on the. What?
I
You
like
done?
those houses.
You want to make eggs? Oh no! What?
So,
You want something to drink? Watching?
okay,
Sam?
go.
Ha!
Again.
Look at here. See how it's already hugging it? You dip it down in the hot water and it goes snuggle buggle.
What happened?
See, it shrinks to fit the egg.
What happens to shrink? How would it shrink?
It's just a special plastic hugger that you put on the egg.
It's shrink?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do it?
Well, it's hot.
The eggs are hot.
Mom, I think those eggs are nice and great. Them are pretty.
Uh-oh, I'm going to have to put the...
Hold on.
What?
I'm ready. Just...
Hold on, Sam.
You tell me.
You put Sig in the other chair.
You gonna make Easter eggs? Easter eggs.
Mom, do anything about it.
Okay, which one do you want to do, Sam?
This one?
That egg?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put it in? What color? This one?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay. Here you go. What you gonna put it in?
This one?
Yep.
Just set it in there.
Sweet.
Very
Good.
good.
Woo!
That's easy.
Let's
That's
see if
easy
you do
to
this one.
Well,
Saggy, what color? What color? It's hot. Careful. Careful. What color? Any yellow? You want Bob Bob in yellow? Oh, no, I want blue.
It's on the floor.
Cool.
Just do it, Sagan.
He didn't mean to do it, Sam. Okay, get upset with it.
Sagan, be easy.
Well, we know they're boiled now.
Tip it. You tip it. I could be mad and I'll go clean that up.
I'm gonna check this one out. This needs to sit. It's not messing up the plastic color.
That's
Okay.
a lime color. It's pink or red or whatever it is.
It might look good on the edge.
What's that, Red?
Oh, you're putting coal on the. Okay.
Yeah. Go, Sam. Here's one.
How do they feel?
They're warm, but they're not hot.
They're not going to scald them.
No, here, just, it's warm. Now don't drop it, just,
Use
now
the
don't
fingers.
drop it, you still have to set it in there easy. Easy. Good. Alright, Say.
No.
It's Say's turn to do one.
Bow wow.
Okay. You want red or orange? Well, hold on.
I'm going to move this.
Say, I want to do a blue one.
Again?
Here, just put another one in there. Yeah.
Good baby.
There, cool.
Good baby.
Now,
Good
Mommy wants
baby.
to do an orange one.
Second. Oh, me. Pick me.
Mommy wants to do the orange one. Orangey.
Hey, who wants to do the now one like?
Well, let's get the green one out.
The green one should be done.
I pick here.
Put it on the set.
Easy. Easy. I think Second go drop it when he takes it out. Let's blow up, Mom. Let's blow up green.
Oh, that's a pretty egg, Sam.
Ooh, pretty good.
We'll work with Easter egg hands tomorrow.
Easter egg hands. Oh, cause Easter is out there.
You want to put one in the reddy pink color, Sam?
No.
That's Sam's turn.
Mama.
Give Sam.
Baba.
All right.
Second's turn. Second's turn
Oh, that's a
first.
pretty yellow.
That's pretty.
Pretty.
Saggy did that one, I think. Did he?
Yeah, that's Sagan's egg.
Good baby.
All right.
I
Oh,
love
careful, Say.
Sit
Say,
down.
what color you want to do now? You want to do a green one? You want to do green?
Mississippi.
Okay, second. Green.
You want to do green?
He said green.
Yeah. Careful. Good boy. Here, put it all the way down. And then squeeze.
Yay.
Good job.
Good baby. Give me half a.
Yeah. All right.
He gave the tool back too. That's
Okay,
good.
here. Let's just put, hey. Quit squeezing, quit squeezing, quit squeezing. Okay, what color are you going for? Yellow or?
There's a pink opening there. Or
No, we
Yellow's
put it in the pink. Where's the green bunny?
bunny
That was cat. Yes.
Is that orange enough?
That's good.
Yeah, it's like an ocean egg. Okay, second next. Wait, next. Second next.
Sagan, what color you want to put in?
Renewable.
Green.
You want to do it
Take-
orange?
Yeah.
Let's see what this blue's doing. If I record now.
Renewable.
and spot him.
Okay.
Okay. Gonna put an orange. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Which one? That one? Woo!
Good boy. Get me high five.
All right. I didn't know he. That's.
I love you, Sagan. I love Sagan. You're the good Easter egg boy.
Okay, let's see what this blue one's gonna look like. Kind of have a.
I think the top one's done because I.
Oh. I think
Wow.
it has burger paint.
It doesn't matter if it's a little lighter on one
I
side.
bet.
It's kind of cool.
Very careful.
I think these ones were better than last year's colors.
Well, those were the dollar colors. These are $3 colors. Yeah, that is awesome. That is really.
Ooh, it's like my eggs like soccer team. It's like my eggs like my soccer team.
Alright, we need the
I'm
little
careful.
huggers on them. They're kind of already done. So why don't you pick a sticker? No, don't pick it up.
Just leave it down so you
You
can.
need to get a certain side. Just
Spin them around.
which one? Oh, that matches the egg really well, doesn't it?
Hey, can we put my paintings on?
There's a little aqua and pink on that one.
Where am I?
Aqua, pinky, speckly thing. That one looks springy. That one looks like a Degas paint.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Well, that's great. You know, that one's gonna be cooking.
Thank you.
We're done with the drawing, Sagan.
Oh.
Can we pour them?
Huh?
Can I pour this one?
Come over here if you're going to pour that one.
We'll do it.
No. No, well, just picking something up. Sagan. Come on. Pick up the eggs. He found one. He's a big boy. He's figured it out. Yay. Pretty good. Did you do this before, Sagan? Don't worry how they are in the bucket. Get as many as you can. You find the hard ones. Oh. No, put them in your pail. Put them in your bucket. This whole yard's full of them. Sagan's doing great. Cheese. Sagan, there's more eggs up here. What?
Come on.
Sagan, come on. More. What's over here?
What's that orange thing?
That was good of you, Sam. Let him get one or two.
Hey!
Get him, get him, get him. Go get him. You see him? Take it. Over here. Look. Look for eggs. That one about got you. No, there's a bunch more. A few more. Say again. Come over here. Good job. Look over there by the tree. There's a gold one over there. No, I see another one.